Because they are all going home.
So betrayal is in our blood. It's in our blood. But we cannot let this betrayal continue. Now we are in a fight against the government. Against the government that does not listen to anyone. Against the government that does not consider people to be people. If you take a look at what happened just a few days ago, the borders were being given away to Assam. Our people are crying there in the borders. They are being harassed. They are being targeted. Still, no one listened. When you take a look at the plight of the teachers, we have been fighting for a very long time. In 2019, a promise was made at Malki ground. But that promise became hollow. It pretended that it forgot. And when we are fighting now, Sir Lakshman Rumboy there sitting on his chair, he is saying, we will examine. Examine what? You have been sitting there for the last almost 5 years. In the last 3 years, you were supposed to examine, you were supposed to come up with something, but now you are saying you are examining. But this fight is something that we cannot lose in the entire country of India. The Jaiñtia Kingdom stretched right till Bangladesh, till Assam, and then closer to the Khasi Hills. The Jaiñtia Kingdom is so big, so powerful. But why did all these Jaiñtia kings fell? There's only one reason. No unity. There is no unity. If you take a look at Ïaïong, in history, if you go in history, Ïaïong is one of the 3 freedom fighters who have killed the most British people. The most British soldiers were being killed by Ïaïong. But despite giving that fierce look and despite giving that fierce fight against the Britishers, Ïaïong fell. Why did he fall? He fell because of one man, and his name was Pynkhreh.
Kapol ni dan hangi ha Iawmusiang kabang ilawan ban pynlong yakan ka jingïalang jong ki nonghikai ad hoc na ka East but West Jaiñtia Hills ha kabangi kwa bangin pinsmo sikhi ha kan sadan kani karali ha ka arku jong ni na Ïaïong but ha kani karali ni nila pinsmo sikhi ba kinwan da ka Jingtip Briew tip Blei but kin omwan ada ka jingbuat tanglang kumba julong ha kirali kiba julong tingi ni di nonghikai ni di ban pedi ya katakan uksa ka babha ikumta ngala persyang bangan batai ru nonghikai baki ki ba ki de ban le baki ki ba kim de ban le ki slogan ki ba ki la ban punon kam baki ki slogan kim la ban punon kam bat kumju ru sngo bangan kenturu ikitu nonghikai ba kin haba ki aware ikitu kena ki ex students lami ki past pupils ba yakiru kin batha lang kumju but sa ko nga kwaru ban batha sa ki pagba ki ba lakarsyan ki bagun ki long pynlong paru palawan chakmat but ki ex students pa ki past pupils ba haba p1 ba pin don ti lang akani ka rally ba niya ba p1 ba pin karsyan ini akani rally smobha wan da ka Jingtip Briew tip Blei nai buat tanglang but nai kran ki kitien ki baklamapon ki kitien ki bajobo ki bala ban pin thobria Hindi yang ini raya pi kenang ba pi pinla ba pin yo ya kata ka long kenang ba pi pinla ba num poi ke ya kata ka apot ka jinjar namanya la ekran ka tu kan ni begini ki officer sarkaru yang ba lada katan ka jingtu ma tikin hap and shim action te lada pi buat tanglang ai te ngin omla bangin ba khli na benta jong pi te tangkatai kublai shibun na benta jong paro ki bala support ini sngoban pintu ban kerpat ba pinwan ban dekat niya ka at atrik haba niaki dementa ka hok jong nonghikai ad hoc aka jylla Meghalaya. Blei Shillong.